I'm Richard Woolard. I'm a motorsport engineering student at the University of Wolverhampton. I am the head engineer for Craig Hamilton Smith's car in the Morgan Challenge this season. So I oversee a team of mechanics, logistics on wheels and tyres, and liaise with the head of data and the overall head of the team. The facilities are going to bring the students, the future students, enhanced sort of first-hand experience of the Morgan factory and the industry as a whole. It gives the experience of working with employees already within the industry, which is something that you wouldn't get normally from just a standard theoretical university course anywhere else. So the opportunities for our students moving forward in the future and stepping forward into employment gives them a great advantage over others when moving into the role into the jobs world, really.